Hello everyone and welcome back to Churchillionaire. Today's video is a really important one if you're looking to save money or earn money really quickly without any extra outlay up front. If you have access to a phone, tablet or computer, you can literally earn or save yourself hundreds if not thousands of pounds just by watching this video. So I highly recommend that you stay watching all the way to the end, pause the video where needed and save this video for future reference. It might also worth be grabbing yourself a pen and paper to note things like website names, offers and key points. If there's something you don't quite understand, ask me in the comments. I personally answer every question myself, not some AI robot that most YouTubers use these days. So you're guaranteed a personal tailored reply based on your exact circumstances. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this channel with the people you care about and love. Recently, I made a video about the UK's announced budget 2025, and to be honest, it wasn't great news for anyone really. Not high earners, not mansion owners, not renters, and not even people on benefits, despite what some reports suggested. So I thought now would be a good time to put something out practical, something that helps people keep more of their own money, or even make their own money work harder for them. Today, I'm going to show you the best bank accounts, the best savings accounts, and the best credit cards, plus how to use them properly. Let's start with bank accounts first. Before you choose any bank account, make sure you compare all of your options that are available. Use proper comparison sites and money sites like Money Saving Expert, Money Supermarket, money.co.uk, uswitch, Which and Snoop. These sites update constantly and show the best bank switching bonuses, best interest rates, fees, cashbacks and rewards that are available. Never assume your current bank account is the best option because loyalty rarely pays. Banks such as Santander, Lloyds, NatWest and First Direct often offer £150 to £200 just for switching to them. Usually you need to pay in a minimum amount, set up 1 or 2 direct debits and stay with them for a few months. It's easy money for something you can do online. Some current accounts also pay interest. A good example is Nationwide Flex Direct, which offers up to 5% interest for a limited time, and that's good interest. That's useful for any emergency money you have at home or cash just sitting there doing nothing. I would strongly recommend you never save money at home. Just by keeping it at home, you will lose more money than inflation each year. Now let's move on to savings accounts. When looking for savings accounts, you'll often see the term AER everywhere. AER means annual equivalent rate. It also tells you roughly how much your money earns over a year, including compounding. I will explain compounding in a future video, but for example, £1,000 at 4.5% AER earns about £45 per year. If your savings are earning under 3%, you should seriously review those accounts and consider switching. Now there are easy access savings accounts too. These let you take your money out whenever you need it. They're good for emergencies. For example, Chase UK Saver is offering around 4.5% AER with no penalties and instant access. Then there are fixed term savings accounts. These lock your money away for a set period, for example 6 months, a year or even longer. Usually you get certainty and sometimes higher rates, but you can't access that money early, so only lock away what you don't need. Then there are cash ISAs. Cash ISAs are good if your interest starts building up. Interest earned inside a cash ISA is tax-free, but always check the rules and current limits. Once you've spotted a few offers, you can put your situation into a tool like ChatGPT. For example, you can say, I earn this amount of money, I have this much saved, I rent and want an easy access savings account. What account would suit me best? AI tools are not financial advisors, but they can help you explain things in plain English and narrow down your options. Now let's move on to credit cards and choosing the right credit card. When choosing a credit card, what you plan to use it for is very important. If you mainly travel, look for credit cards that reward you with things like air miles or travel points. If you mainly use your card for shopping, look for cashback credit cards or cards that offer money and vouchers off. The key is to match the card to how you already spend your money, not to change your spending just to earn rewards. That's the best way to decide which credit card is right for you. Using credit cards properly. Credit cards are tools that should be used, not looked at as free money. I've already made a full video on how to build credit, so this isn't a repeat. This is the practical usage side. Only use credit cards for things you would buy anyway: fuel, transport, food and drinks, or regular monthly bills. Avoid impulse spending. Buying things just because you want them or spending money you can't afford is not the right way. Try to keep your credit utilisation under 25% or lower. So if your limit is £1,000, aim not to go over about £250 a month. Set up a direct debit and pay the full balance off every month. This stops interest, builds trust, and over time you'll see your credit score improve, helping you access better offers. If you've already got good credit or your score is improving, make sure you've turned on the channel notifications, because in a video coming very soon, I'm going to show you how to make debt pay you, how to use good credit strategically, and the best types of businesses and investments you should consider starting. That's where credit stops being something people fear and starts becoming a real financial friend. Now let's move on to our final checklist. It might be helpful if you pause the video here and run through this. Number 1, compare bank accounts on proper websites. Number 2, look for switching bonuses and rewards. Number 3, move savings that are earning under 3% AER. Number 4, understand easy access versus fixed save accounts. Number 5, compare credit cards and reward types. Number 6, use your credit for essential spending only. Number 7, keep the utilisation levels low. Number 8, always pay balances off in full. And number 9, watch my credit building video. If this video has helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Churchillionaire and share it with the people you care about and love. Drop your questions below, I will reply personally. And remember, take care of your money, but more importantly, take care of yourself. And why be a billionaire when you can be a Churchillionaire? Thanks for watching.